Thukuru-ini ria Daiga wa dini ya Umande kaunti-ini ya Laikipia nikuo urari commandant wa thukuru wa mathomo ma ruhonge rwa njera Wanini Kireri ahurukitio thutha wa gikuo giake kiumia kihituku. Minista ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni agwetete Wanini ta mundu rekuranire hari utongoria ruhonge-ini ruru.
Country has lost a selfless, dedicated patriot who gave her entire life to serving the country. Everywhere the late Wanini worked, she always left a mark, both physical and emotional.
Ndumiriri ni ya mutongoria wa bururi President Uhuru Kenyatta iri thomirwo ni Matiang'i gwetete Wanini ta kionereria kiega kia uria ona watumia magitongoria na wigiririki korwo maheo mweke.
We have lost a Kenyan who was inspiring and a role model, especially to the young women of this country. The way she has managed the prison staff training college is unprecedented, again showing that women of this country have untapped potential and that they only need opportunities to deliver.
Ningi Wanini ni acakaitwo ta mutongoria urateithiriria hanene hari kurehe mugaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa njera makiria hari uheani wa ugi hari kothi cia moko.
At a time when prisons were viewed as dens of death, Wanini turned around that perception by initiating programs for inmates which gave the institutions a humane image.
President Kenyatta ni eranire gutigirira makinya ma Wanini ni marumirirwo guku akiuria kugie na njira cia kumuririkana kwa muhiano heani wa ritwa riake miako-ini ya ruhonge ruru.
That we name one of the prime buildings at PSTC Wanini Kireri. So you and Madam Mundi will have 48 hours within which to make the decision so that the declaration can be signed. The President says that's the least he can do.
Wanini uria waingirire ruhonge-ini rwa njera mwaka-ini wa 1992 atiga mwana umwe Ian Kireri. Hadi ni Kameme TV ritwa rako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.